century. Is the longest classical work when compared to Mahabharata written in any other Indian language. The Vijayanagara Emperor Sri Krishna Devaraya, who himself was a prolific writer in Telugu and contributed the great epic Amukta Malyada, written by him in Telugu, had famously said about Telugu language in his epic literary work, Telugadela Yanna Deshambu Telugenu, Telugu Vallabunda Telugu Kanda, Yella Nripulu Goluva ఏదరవగనే బాసాడి దేశ భాషలందు తెలుగు లెస్స.